Let's take a look at the IGCSE exercise 27.18, and I've been asked to do question 3. I've just done question 3a, which is a great question. I love that question. Question 3b, now it's all plain sailing, the volume of the original pyramid. So the volume of a pyramid, and let's just write it out here, the volume of any pyramid is going to equal 1/3 times base area, so I should just say base area, or base times, or tell you what, let's do base area. And the base area, it's going to be square. So really it's just, in this case, it's going to be 12 times 12, and then multiply by the height. Now the height we decided now is 8. So the new volume is going to be 12 times 12, or 12 squared times 8. Let's have a go at that now. So I'm going to have 12 times 12, which is 144, times 8 times, and I'll put in the third there. And we've got 384, so it's going to be 384, and it's going to be cubic centimeters. So that's the volume of the original pyramid. Well, let's find also the next bit here. So that's this one here. It's B. Let's do C now. It says the volume of the truncated pyramid. So we have to assume it's the bottom bit. Height of the truncated pyramid is 6. Yeah, so right. It's a little bit interesting. You could actually argue that the height of the truncated bit's the bit on top, because the bottom bit's no longer a pyramid, but the top bit is a pyramid, and therefore we could call it a truncated. But it does say the height of the truncated pyramid is 6, so it must be referring to the bottom part. So the volume of the truncated pyramid, so we're going to find the volume of the whole pyramid. We're going to find the volume of the top part of the pyramid, and we're going to subtract them. So we found out before that the volume of the top pyramid, because the top part of the pyramid, I'll just try and draw it, is this times this, and we had roughly a square base like this, and the height was like this, and it came up like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. So that was okay. So that's the top part of the pyramid, and that was 3 times 3, and of course the height here was equal to 2. Now, excuse me, so that's the vertical height. Then, of course, so we have the volume of the whole pyramid. So that's the volume of the top. So let's find this bit here. So the volume of this is equal to 1/3 times 3 squared times 2. All right, let's work out that. So I'll just do it on the calculator. My brain has not been working well this evening, so it's going to be 1/3 times 9 times 2, and that's going to be 6. So the volume of the top pyramid is 6 cubic centimeters. And we know the volume of the bottom of the whole pyramid is going to be 384. But the question asks the volume of the truncated pyramid, which is just the bottom bit without this bit on top. So the volume, I'll put volume of truncated pyramid is equal to 384 minus 6. So we've got 384. We're going to take off the 6, and that would leave us with 378. Yeah, 378 cubic centimeters, and hopefully that is correct.